Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding friends to your Roblox account using the mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by launching the Roblox app. From the home page, you can tap where it says Friends to get to your Friends page. Or if you don't see that, you can tap the three dots button and then select Friends. This page shows a list of your current friends. To add new friends, tap the search bar at the top right of the screen. Now you just need to enter your friend's Roblox username and then tap Search. Find your friend from the list of players. You can quickly add them by tapping the plus button beside their profile, or you can tap on their name to visit their profile. When you are on somebody's profile, you can add them by tapping the Add Friend button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.